So the control and the experiment each are set up where you have the plastic container and you have a 4x6 note card that is taped to the top of the container, and then you have your bits and bobs down here. And what's going to happen is in the control, there's going to be ink that's going to be put down in here, and then hopefully these will get ink on them. There are marbles and interesting shapes and different sizes. I have all kinds of things that I can put inside each of them. And so then you close this up and it gets sealed, and then it's going to stay, this box will stay where it's seat belted into the 0G in this orientation where the ink and your bits and bobs are on the bottom and your postcard is on the top. So ideally, there will be no transfer of ink to the postcards when it's in this position. But as you do the parabolas and you go into 0G, these pieces with the ink should float up and make contact with the top of the cards and then float back down, and you go through cycle and cycle. So after going up and down, however many parabolas, hopefully at the end, I'll open it up and I'll have an interesting design here.